Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to call friends on Roblox. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there is a way to call your friends on Roblox. And this is by just using kind of a game. It's just an app of Roblox that is called Connect. So basically here in the searching bar, we need just to search for Connect or Roblox Connect, and we will be able to start connecting with other people. So basically here you make sure it is a Roblox Connect by Roblox Resources. You click on it, and basically you will need just to click on play. By clicking, it will take you to the server, and now you need to click on OK so you can be able to enable your camera and microphone so you can be able to chat with others. And of course, you will need just to follow the community standards when talking. So we click OK, and now you can just go here and add some emojis or emotes, and you can click call a friend so you can uh, call. So basically, you need to enable your microphone and your camera on your settings. So basically here in the settings, you will need just to go back or just to leave, and we will need just to go to the settings of our application. And basically we click on the 3 point icon, settings. Here in privacy, make sure you have your camera that is locked on. So as you can see, you can have your camera should be enabled and your microphone should be enabled. And to have your microphone to be enabled, you will need just to verify your number and email, and of course you will need to verify your age. After that, you will need just to go back to your Roblox Connect and you click on play, and you will be able to start calling a friend. And as I said, I'm still not enabling my microphone since it is my account is not verified yet. And basically, you need just to enable them both, and you will be able to start talking with friends. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.